Hi guys, this is Sajid. Assalamu alaikum, and you're watching my YouTube channel. So today this video is third video on lists in Python. So today we're gonna see that how to add items in the list. Okay, so first thing we're gonna check is how to append items. To add an item to the end of the list, use append method. Okay, so here is our example, and here is our prompt. Okay guys, so let's copy this list to save time and paste it and press enter. So we have the list ready. Then I'm gonna append one more item, this list dot append orange. Okay, done. Yeah, print this list. Okay, and enter. See guys, we have orange being appended at the end of this list. So this is how you add items to a list. Next we have how to insert item. To insert a list item at a specified index, use insert method. The insert method inserts an item at the specified index. Okay, insert an item as the second position. Okay, because first one is orange, apple, banana and cherry, and this is 0, 1 and 2. So as a result of the example above, the list will not contain 4 items. Okay, so let's add take this code to save time and paste here. Okay, so we have our list, this list ready with 3 items, and now this list dot insert at index 1 item orange. Okay, so done. Okay, now we print it out. Okay, ta-da! We have apple, we have orange, we have banana and cherry. So you have seen the banana and the cherry have been moved to right. Now their index has changed. Before it was 0, 1, 2. Now before banana was at 1, now it is at 2. Okay, let's check it out. This list at 1, what we have now it's orange, and at 2 is banana. That's right. Okay, and next we have next method is to extend list. To append elements from another list to the current list, use the extend method. So for example, if you have 2 lists and you want to extend first list by like putting the elements from the second list into first list, this is called like to extend the list, and all the items will be added at the end of the list. So guys, let's try this code. Okay, let's suppose this is my first list, apple, banana. Okay, and I'm pasting here, this is my first list. Then my tropical, second list name is tropical, and we said this list dot extend. Okay, tropical. Okay, and hit enter. Now we will have apple, banana, cherry and mango, pineapple, papaya. Print, yeah, this list. Okay, yep, we have apple, banana, cherry, mango, pineapple, papaya. So these 3 items from second list called tropical have been appended to first list, this list, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements in this list called this list. And what happened to second list? Let's check it out. Tropical. That is still there. Nothing happened to second list. Okay, let's move forward. Add any iterable. Okay, so the extend method does not have to append list. You can add any iterable object, any iterable object like tuple, sets, dictionaries, etc. Okay, so before we have seen with extend method we have appended what? Another list. Here we are saying any iterable object can be appended to the list. Okay, it doesn't mean that only list can be used to extend other list. We can use other data types like tuple to extend first list. Okay, so let's see there. Tuple by now we have not seen in our course. In upcoming videos we will touch this topic. So for now, what I'm gonna do, here's my first list. By the way, it's already there, so let's redefine it. Okay, then I make this tuple, and paste. So I have a list and a tuple. I say this list dot extend, okay, with this tuple. Okay, oh, it's done. And then I print this list. And what happened? Oh my god, I have now 5 items, 3 from my list and 2 from my tuple. So I have apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, and orange. Right, so guys, in this video I'll wrap it up here. We have covered different concepts today and we were playing with the word list, and we have seen like how to extend a list with a list or using any other iterable object like tuple, dictionaries, etc. Then we have seen insert items and then append items. Yeah, so these were some methods we have learned today in this video. I hope this video has been informative for you. You did learn some new concepts, and please share this video with your friends and colleagues out there who want to learn Python. And I will be back with another video very soon. Till the time, take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.